Hello, good morning, all of you guys. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Good morning. All right. And all of you online guys, please provide me under chat box your mail ID and phone number. Along with mail ID, please text me phone number also. And after this session, I will share with you this demo video and basic Informatica understandable documents. Informatica demo documents, then I will share with you. So please text me in the chat box your mail ID and phone number. Right, guys? So I'm coming for this demo part today. What is the agenda of this demo is, I'm not going to be covered into this, dig into the subject level today. And two demos we are having today and tomorrow also. Today, it is little bit of a complete awareness and why we require this Informatica. We'll see the significance of this Informatica Power Center. Why this Power Center and what we can do it on Power Center. How many similar kind of tools are there in the market like Power Center? Not only the Power Center. Then we have a similar tools are there. What similar tools we are having here? Why we are running with this Informatica, and so what roles and job opportunities, what kind of roles we can apply after this course for the job. So how the requirements are there, then we'll see today. So before going to discuss with or to start the demo, first of all, I introduce myself. My name is Sridhar. I have a total 7 years of experience in complete ETL part. With Power Center, and I'm involved in different tools, ETL tools, like data stage and SSIS also. Domains according to the work, hands-on experience. Domains I worked on banking, insurance, clinical, and waste management systems. I'm representing the classes from past. One second, guys. Give me 2 minutes, please. Online guys, please text me your mail ID and phone number. Who didn't send so far, please give me your phone numbers and mail IDs under chat box. Then only then you will get the content and demo video session. Right. So that is my brief story. And I'm representing the batches from past 5 years onwards from Vinay Technologies. Lot of batches are done already. Lot of students. We trained a lot of students here in Informatica Power Center on premises. Now, the first of all, we'll see today what is meant by this Informatica and Informatica Power Center. Actually, Informatica is an organization, it's not a tool actually. So the all guys are calling Informatica is a tool. Informatica is not a tool. Informatica is a organization, company it is. This organization is providing for us lot of tools. These are all tools it is providing. Okay. So in these tools, Power Center is one of the tool. It is Power Center is one of the tool. See here now. So what type of tool it is? Power Center, intelligent data integration tool. It is intelligent data integration. Data integrated tool it is Power Center, Informatica Power Center. So who is providing this Power Center? Informatica Corporation is providing. For example, like bikes, lot of bikes are available. Okay, so lot of manufacturers are manufacturing the bikes. A lot of manufacturers are providing the bikes for us. Right? Bike is a tool for what? To travel one place to other place. Honda, Bajaj, okay, Harley Davidson, Royal Enfield, Yamaha, lot of organizations are there, companies. So these are all companies are providing the two-wheelers. As for our requirement, whatever we want to purchase, then we can purchase it. All our bikes, Harley Davidson also is bike, BMW is also bike, okay, Activa is also bike, right or wrong? Functionality won't be vary, even though if I purchase, okay, Harley Davidson 1500cc double engine, okay. So even though if we are purchased and it won't fly, we require a road required. So we can travel one place to other place only. Functionality won't be vary here. So only the thing is feature will vary. Suppose for example, consider one guy requirement is, one person requirement is, he want to participate in racing. Okay. So many bikes are there. With one bike, he want to participate in racing. Okay. And he purchased a Activa. Is it possible? Activa is also bike, right? Activa is also bike. He purchased Activa, he purchased. How he is going to participate with Activa in racing? It's not possible. That is not a right to tool it is. What is the right tool, right bike? Yes, he need to purchase this sports bikes. Then only he can done with racing. But somebody is looking for mileage and he purchased a Harley Davidson. So how the Harley Davidson bike is going to be provided the mileage? Yes, all are bikes only. Activa is also bike and Bullet is also the bike. Okay, functionality is same. What we can do it with Activa and what we can do it with the Bullet, We can travel one place to other place. Okay, right? Functionality is not vary. Feature will vary. Activa, some slow it will go. And Bullet, faster it will go. Double engine is there. Okay. And style, CC, these are all will be vary. Same way here also, Informatica is organization. The Informatica is providing for us lot of tools to done this. So lot of activities. Big data intelligent. So intelligence big data, intelligence data quality, intelligent cloud services, intelligence data security, and intelligence data integration, and intelligence master data management. Actually, these are all works. Okay, what work we want, what we want to done. If I want to done the data integration, this integration tools, then we have to be purchased. So in integration tools, the Power Center is a familiar tool in world. The familiar tool in a world to move the data from one place to other place. To move the data from one place to other place, the Power Center is the first tool. Informatica Power Center. Informatica Power Center is a tool. Informatica is an organization. This organization providing for us a lot of tools. On those tools, Informatica Power Center is a data integration tool. It is what tool it is? Data integration tool. What is mean by this data integration? Why I need to learn the data integration? And how many other data integration tools are there? Yes, if the bike is there, products are there. Soap is a product outside. Not only one soap, lot of soaps are available. Okay. So as for our requirement, then we can purchase. As for our requirement, then we can purchase this product. Same way here also. What to the organization to integrate the data, they are providing data integration tool, Power Center. Data integration tool it is, Power Center it is. So then go and see what is mean by this integration. What is mean by the data integration it is. So data integration means collect the data from all over the areas. For example, my data or else my business spread over the world. See here. See now here. Yes. So this is my business actually. So in US, UK, and Singapore, business is same. Okay. Business is the same business. And this business is running daily. Take a bank, suppose for example. If it is a Pani Puri Bandi, then we can remind the transactions by mind, right or wrong? Right? If it is a bank, is it possible? How many transactions are going on in bank level? How many transactions will happen in one branch in one city? Lakhs of transactions will happen. How many? Lakhs and lakhs of transactions will happen throughout the city, throughout the country, throughout the world. Trillions of transactions will happen in one day. In one day, how many transactions will happen? Trillions of transactions will happen. Right? These are all if you want to handle. So, and we required storage required. That is meant by this one. All transactions we are loading. Where we are loading? UK data. we are loading in one place. And US data, we are loading in one place. And Indian data, we are loading in one place. Okay. Indian data, Indian server. US data, US server. UK data, UK server. Data is in different areas. Data is storing, business is running. Okay. Once daily the business is going on, what is going on? They are loading. They are loading into their servers. Suppose, for example, if you've done transaction ATM center, withdraw the amount, what happened? Once if we complete this transaction, withdraw the amount, immediately the record is going to be loaded in server level. So and so person, so and so ATM center, he withdraw the amount, this much of amount, 10,000, 5,000. Okay, this is the transaction it is. These are all transactions are loading in their corresponding areas. Okay, fine. See now, different storages are there. Different storages. This server is in UK. This server is in US. And this server is in India. But what I want here is, I want a report. Okay, I want a report for all the regions. For all the regions, I'm expecting a report here. Yes, India, what happened? US, what happened? And UK, what happened? I want to see in a graphical format. For what? For to understand the business. Clear? So one business is there. Business is spread over the world. So if you want to understand the business, what we required here? Report format we required. Graphical format we required. What happened in India? How much sale happened? And UK, how much sale happened? US, how much sale happened? If you want to see this graphical format, then must and should the data should be integrate in one place. Otherwise, then we can't display the graphical format. What we are doing is we are integrating all these sources data and loading into one place. Okay, this place we are calling as a data warehouse, or else a godown it is. See now, this is we are calling as a data warehouse it is. What is mean by this data warehouse? So if we are loading in one place chocolates, chocolate warehouse it is. If I am loading in one place all biscuits, biscuit warehouse it is. Storage, huge volumes of storage we are calling as a warehouse it is. Okay, all the regions I am collecting all different products and I am loading in one place. And as our job is here and to create data warehouse, we have to be create this data warehouse. Okay, what needs to be done here? Collect the data from variant sources. We have to collect the data from different regions and we should create data warehouse. What is mean by the data warehouse? So huge volumes of storage area is called as warehouse it is. So whatever if you are loading rice, if I am loading rice warehouse, biscuits if we are loading biscuit warehouse it is. But in system there is no biscuit, there is no bank, there is no clinical. Once the data is come inside, it is pure converted into data format. So here in the system level we can't see the bank. Outside it is a bank, outside it is a clinical. Yes, we can touch this one, but inside then you can't touch this one. The bank is coming to inside, pure it is converting into data format. Account information, loan information, so then policy information. So it is purely converting into data format. So all region data we are collecting and we are loading in one place. That is our job. Our job is collect the homogeneous or heterogeneous sources data, homogeneous or heterogeneous sources data, and integrate into one place, load into one place. Okay, for what? Then you can ask the question, why I need to load here? Then what is the use of loading? So for to make this reports, for what? For to make the reports. So why the report? To take the decision making in the business level. To take decision making in the business level. Yes, if the business is there, decision is required. The business keep on going. If you want to improve the business, report required. What happened, we need to watch. Right or wrong? So what happened if you want to watch? So then how we are watching here in a report format to understand faster, then we are creating a reports here. Once if we see the report within single glance, within single shot, we can understood what happened here. Hyderabad location, for example, I'm showing the graph like this. Hyderabad, Mumbai, Chennai. Okay, where the down sale happened here. So within single glance, this is Hyderabad, this one is Mumbai data, this one is Chennai data. Where the down sale happened? Yes, the layman also can say what happened in the business. Okay, without knowing anything also, by using this graph, then simply then we can say down sale happened in Hyderabad. So instead of this graph, if I am submitting you 10 lakhs records, then I'm asking where the down sale happened. Who knows this? Right? 10 lakhs records you are providing me. 10 lakhs data you are providing me. Then I want to sit and we have to calculate. It will take 6 months. Within this 6 months, enough business will be closed down. Right or wrong? So that is what? To analyze the data or to analyze the business, what happened. If I know what happened, then I can say what needs to be happened. Right or wrong? The business, what happened if we know, then next year what needs to be happened and what we have to take the decision makings. That is meant by this analysis. For this analysis, we need to prepare this data warehouse. Up to here only, our job. Collect the data, okay, and then after transform the data and load it into warehouse level, prepare a warehouse. So go and prepare warehouse. And here, see here, integration means, what is meant by the integration? Collect the data. After collect the data, yes, before loading into warehouse or before going to prepare the warehouse, some sort of techniques we require here. Direct, what we are collected, that is directly we are not loading into the warehouse level. Okay, some sort of cleansing we are doing here according to the analysis. For example, best example is, see this one, Food Corporation of India, FCI. They will collect the raw rice from this field. Okay, they are not going to be distribute the raw rice, means that is in Telugu. They are not going to be distributed to the people. Okay, direct raw rice. They are going to be converted into eatable format, right? Rice. They will send to the mill, polish this one, and they will store into the warehouse level. This is meant by the transformation. Why they are collecting and storing in FCI level? The entire year, okay, rice won't come down. So when it is coming, then they will collect and they will place in the godown. Entire year they are going to be submitted to people. They will distribute to the people. Same process here also. Yes, the data is coming from the source. Okay, I want to prepare a warehouse. In the middle, I want to verify this data, cleanse the data, and validate the data and aggregate the data into according to this warehouse format. I'm converting, transforming what we are doing. We are transforming this data and we are cleansing the data. And then after we are loading into the centralized warehouse. This is mean by this warehouse, data warehouse it is. Okay, data warehouse is nothing but centralized area, and we are loading all the data, years and years and years of data, we are loading in one place. That godown we are calling as a centralized warehouse it is. Our job is to prepare the warehouse according to this analysis, according to the business analysis. So once if we prepare this centralized warehouse, from the warehouse they will pull the data and they are going to be print the data. Okay, they are going to be print the data. After the warehouse, reporters will come down, reporters will come down. They are going to be extract the data from warehouse and they prepare into graphical format. Which format? Graphical format. Years and years and years, keep on load it is. If it is a bank is there, yes, the bank should be maintained from the beginning onwards the data. Then they need to submit it to this RBI, right or wrong. If the RBI is asking something is wrong happened in a bank, then the RBI is asking, then what happened in that year? Then show me this complete transactions. Yes, the bank needs to be submitted to this complete data to this RBI, right? Or see, telecom sector, phones. So nowadays, each and every person, we are having 4-5 SIMs. It's common. And in 4-5 SIMs, we are rendering, talking, incoming, outgoing, Facebook, and WhatsApp. Lot of communications are going on, right or wrong. If something wrong happened, the network communicator should be submitted the data to this investigation department, right? How they will provide this one? They need to store this one. What is going on? What is going on? They need to store. If they store and what happened, we can see. Daily, if I am loading what is going on here, then I can say what happened previous. What happened previous, then we can say. That is what. So here we are there as a integration, data integrator. Data integrator means, so ETL developer. ETL developer. ETL means extract the data from homogeneous or heterogeneous sources. Homogeneous means same source. Okay. So in all over the regions, Excel file is there. From all over the regions, Excel file. Hyderabad Excel file, Chennai Excel file, Mumbai Excel file, and data is different. Source is Excel only. Then we can pull the data from Excel file only. That is a homogeneous, same source, but data is different. Mumbai data, Hyderabad data, Bangalore data. But heterogeneous means different systems. So in one place Excel is there, in one place text file, in one place database is existed. With the different systems, different regions, then we have to collect the data. Then after transform this data and load it into centralized warehouse in one godown. Centralized warehouse means all we are loading in one place only. All we are loading in one place. Yes, all are coming products, biscuits, chocolates, everything I am loading in centralized warehouse only, in one godown only. That is meant by this centralized warehouse. It is warehouse is nothing but storage. huge capacity, huge volumes of storage is called as a warehouse. Yes, if we are taking the business of bank level lot of subjects, then we can see the lot of subjects then we can see in bank. What are the subjects? Accounts, loans, policies, insurance, and employees also. These are all our bank level subjects, right? So once if you are entered into the bank, only the bank talks are accounts, loans, policies, insurance. They won't talk about okay, investigation and thefts. This is all data is related to police department. And if I'm entered into this clinical department, the subjects will be vary. Subjects will be vary. And clinical department, once if you are entered, so they don't have accounts, insurance policies. They have here the patients, diseases, doctors, okay, discharges like this. Terms will be vary, subject will be vary. All subjects, if we are loading in one place, keep on years and years and years. Daily the data is coming. If suppose you take a bank or else a superstore, take superstore. Superstore is there, DMart. So lot of transactions are going, lot of people are coming, they are purchasing. Okay. So once after purchase, at the time of billing, should be bill the product. At the time of billing, they will ask, sir, what is your mail ID, phone number? What is the meaning of this? They are tracking me. They are tracking my transaction, right or wrong? They will take my mobile number or mail ID. Yes, with a mail ID or a mobile number, they are tracking me. 100 times if I'm entered, 100 times they will load. So and so person came, this is the time, this is the store, and so he purchased these goods. Clear? This is mean by this transactional data. Transactional means current data, running data. That is all will load in. So these systems, source systems, transactional data will load here in source level. This is we are calling as a source data. All are transactions. Keep on its loading daily. Morning 9 to evening 11 or 10. What happened in between this? All are loading. So if it is loading, keep on like this. Then we have to load again, we have to prepare in warehouse. Daily or weekly or day by day or every Sunday. Then I am going to hit this source systems, all sources, all source. I'm going to be extract the data. Okay. Daily morning at 8 a.m. or else Sunday night 12 o'clock. So what we started to pull the data. This week, Monday to Sunday, what happened? This is all data I am going to be extract. After extract, I am cleansing this one. And then we are loading into the warehouse level. We are loading into warehouse. One scenario. Do you know the bank net banking applications? Net banking application. We can enter the net banking application. We can done the transaction. We need not to go for the bank. We need not to wait hours and hours to done the transaction nowadays. Right or wrong? They are providing a lot of feasibilities. Net banking application, phone banking application, ATM centers, or else card. Wherever we done the transaction, immediately it will load in their databases. Means in their storage area, it will load. Okay. Can we take 10 years, 15 years of bank statement in net banking application? So can we take, yes, in one bank, I was maintaining the bank account from past 15 years onwards. Okay. So SBI or else Access Bank. So I'm running this account from past 15 years onwards. Can we take this current statement or else 15 years statement in direct in net banking? No, it's not possible. See, only 5 years or only 3 years or only 7 years only. If I'm asking 15 years, I will give you an answer, sir. Come to the bank. Okay. Yes, we have your transactions. Please come to the bank. So then we have to take the approval from the manager. So after take the approval, then we can go for account. Then accountant will hit the warehouse. Where it is there, warehouse level the data is there. Here only 3 years data only or 7 years data only I'm maintaining. Then rest of all cleared here. The data is cleared. All where we are having all the data in centralized warehouse. Everything is there in centralized warehouse. From the beginning onwards. Okay. So they will hit this one and they will take this one. Sir, please sit down, and it will take 1 hour to 2 hours. They will ask. So if we wait, then they will hit this warehouse and they will collect this 15 years what we done. They will give you the statement. So the entire data is placed on where? Warehouse level it is placed. So then you can ask the question why they are deleted here. Why they are not going to be maintained here years and years means. So this system is directly customer connected to the customers directly. The lot of customers will connect to the system. So it should be respond faster. It should be respond faster it is. If it is not responding faster, for example, Flipkart I'm opened. In Flipkart I'm searching shoe. Then after 15 minutes it is showing shoe. Then I never enter into the site again, right or wrong? Or else bank login, username and password, then click on login. It is slow down rendering and it is login after 10 minutes. I will go to the bank and close the account immediately. It's enough. Okay. So it should be faster, respond to the end users. The server should be responded to the faster to the end users, and the limited data is required. What required? Limited data only. So that is what year by year they are going to clear the data here, and they are loading the data in warehouse. Right? This is our job as a ETL developer. But you can ask how many ETL tools are available in market right now. These are all ETL tools are available, not only Informatica Power Center, Seer, Talend, SSIS, Pantaho, Data Stage, MaulSoft, Abinisho, Oracle Data Integrator. These are all tools are doing same thing. Integration only, data integration only, which we are discussed so far. Informatica Power Center can do it. So data stage, IBM data stage can do it. And Abinisho, SSIS, Microsoft tool. SSIS is also doing the same. And MaulSoft is also doing same. Tableau is also doing same. Talent, sorry. And Pentaho is also doing same. These are all tools. Same like as bikes. Lot of bikes are there. Whatever bike it is, even though Activa or Bullet, we can travel one place to other place only. We can't fly with a bike, right? Only we can travel even though Activa. So if it is a Bullet, we can go faster, right? If it's an Activa, then we can go slow. This is only the variation. All tools are similar. Okay. Then you can ask the question why I need to go for Informatica Power Center here. That was this main point. Why I need to learn Informatica Power Center? Then what is mean the rest of all? Then why the people are purchasing more Activa only? You can see outside. Okay, observe today. So 100 bikes, in 100 bikes, 60 bikes, then we can see active only. Then why? The most of the requirement, customer requirement is the best suitor. This product is best suit for the customers. Everything is there in bike. Everything is there in product level. Okay. According to the cost, according to the mileage, according to the maintenance. Okay. Everything is suitable. That is what we are running with this product here also. So not only nowadays, from past 15 to 20 years onwards, the effective tool in data integrations, Informatica Power Center it is. The lot of organizations, middle scale to large scale organizations are already implemented Informatica Power Center. Okay. So all integrations, major integrations happen on Informatica Power Center level. That much of capacity is there for this data integration Power Center tool. Yes, debugging, the fast loading and fast movement, fast extractions, okay, and securities. These are all Informatica Power Center can provide. And lot huge volumes of data it can handle it. That is what we are coming to this Informatica Power Center. It's a very easy to learn. Even 10th class people also can learn this. There is no code here. Simple tool it is. Graphical user interface tool. It's a graphical user interface tool. We don't need to write down any code. All of you online guys, please send your mail ID and phone number. Please send your mail IDs and phone numbers. Sorry, guys. The power cut happened. బాబు అర్థమవుతుందా? ఆఫ్లైన్ గైస్.